Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. I've always wanted to try this out. This is combining Tonkatsu and curry, Japanese curry. This is Katsu Curry, kapatid ni Stephen Curry. Back in early September, I already featured how to make Tonkatsu. If you missed that, I'll share a link. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do here. Let's prepare our breading station: flour, egg plus oil, and then the Japanese breadcrumbs. We're gonna fry our pork chop in medium heat. For a thin pork chop cut, it would take more than a minute to fry on one side. And then when the breadcrumbs turns brown, light brown, you can flip it. When you're frying your pork chop, don't touch it. So let it bathe in the hot oil. So once you have fried all your pork chop, set it aside. I suggest you use a wire rack for this. The key to a crunchy tonkatsu is to deep fry it and fry it twice. And that's what we're gonna do next. On high heat, fry your pork chop for 1 minute on one side and then flip. Set your tonkatsu aside. We're done with the first step. Now we're gonna make the sauce. To make our Japanese curry sauce, let's saute some onions. Once translucent, we're going to add our carrots. For this recipe, I'm gonna use some baby potatoes. You say potato and I say potato. Our objective is to get some colors on our veggies, so keep on cooking them. Next, I'm adding some liquid for our sauce. This will also help tenderize our veggies. We will bring this to a boil and let it simmer until all the veggies are cooked. I always see this in the supermarket and it's my first time to try this out. This is the Japanese Java curry and it says on the label it's hot, so I'd be the judge later. So inside there are two curry packets. I'm just gonna use one. Using a spatula, we need to break it into small pieces for it to get dissolved quicker. Mix everything together. Depending on how thick you want your curry sauce to be, adjust your liquid. So before assembling our Katsu Curry, I'm gonna just slice our Tonkatsu into bite-sized pieces. We have here our rice, our tonkatsu, and I'm just gonna serve our curry sauce. I love green onions on my rice, so I'm just gonna add some to complete my meal. This is your perfectly splendid Tonkatsu Curry. Itadakimasu! Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.